back a year ago.
And it's been a good run with my bangs. Look how much it has grown. We will see that it is maybe this piece. That piece, yeah. Is that like my nose, almost my lips? So yeah, my hair kind of grows fast. We're going back to the side bangs, so I'm putting my hair on the side. Alright, so we are at this place called Dubu, and apparently they're known for their soups. It's a Korean restaurant. A Korean restaurant, and they're like known for their stone pot soups. I don't know which one I want. I'm thinking about either the stir-fry spicy squid vegetable over rice, or the stir-fry spicy pork. Not sure which one I want. I might go for the squid. We got the fish and a salad with a carrot puree or whatever dressing. As an appetizer, some kimchi. This is my fried rice squid, and it's spicy, and you can really tell it's spicy because it's like super red. I guess on camera it's a little orange. Make sure to grab some squid and some rice. We're gonna try this bite out. Alright, I had to put my camera down because it was super hot, but it was good. Really yummy. I liked it. It was spicy? It was spicy. My mouth's a little burning right now. I can smell it. But it's good. Yeah, we have ice water for that. Alright, I'm gonna continue eating. I got my taiyaki ice cream. It's vanilla bean ice cream and matcha inside the taiyaki. I'm excited. Oh, and then they gave like these little like mochi things. I'm excited to eat it. Alright, we're gonna try the ice cream. Of course you can't mess up ice cream, right? And then we're gonna break into the, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna break it. Here we are. You see the matcha? Kind of. It's not coming out. There we go. Alrighty. Here's the true test. That's good. Really good. Now we try a mochi. You know, I give it a 10 out of 10. I like, it's warm, so I like. Oh, that's cool. Where's that? My brain. Okay, I'm gonna just do it without brain. But I like when I eat something warm with my ice cream. It tastes so, like a good combination. It's like cold and hot mixed together. It tastes so good. I give it a 10 out of 10. Look at these. It looks so yummy with all the fruits and stuff. We're in Paris Baguette and I'm in heaven. Like pastry heaven. Oh, I didn't even see that. My God. I don't know what I want. Wait, maybe I want the kiwi one. The one with the kiwi. Yeah. That looks so good. Ooh. Oh my God, look at the cake. Look at this. Oh my God, that's so cute. These are so look good. Ooh. And then we got like these donuts, kind of bread like stuff.
Yeah. I think just get them.
Those are with the spoons and the cake.
Tiramisu.
Is it tiramisu?
Yeah,
it is tiramisu.
It says tiramisu.
Yummy. Well, that is it to this video diary. I had a lot of fun, ate lots of food, obviously. That's always going to be the base of a lot of my video diaries, I think. Funny highlight about this video diary was when my ring fell in my ice cream. We went to like this Korean restaurant. They're known for their like stone soup, their stone pot soups. So I tried it. My sister took me, my other sister, and my mom. So there was 4 of us that went and tried it out. So the food I got was really spicy, but it was really good, and you know, I enjoyed it. And then right next to it they had an ice cream shop, which, you know, I think they did that on purpose because they know their food is spicy. That's where I got my matcha taiyaki ice cream in the cup. And then when I was talking about it, I was wearing a ring that I don't currently have on me right now. I was wearing my ring and it fell in my ice cream. I think that was a great highlight about this video diary. But the biggest highlight of this video diary is my sister's baby shower. My sister lives very far away, so it was great to coordinate and be able to fly over and help her with that and to enjoy some time with her. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to meet my first nephew of my family. And with that being said, this is the end of this video diary. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and that bell notification to get notified whenever I do post. And I hope to see everyone in my next video. Sincerely, Flora. Bye.
Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.